Welcome to the Unicorn Business Roadmap, your passport to e-commerce glory. First, embark on a unicorn journey. From zero to unicorn business in 100 transformative steps. Second, visionary foundations. Step 1 crafts a vision for your chatbot's journey. Third, dynamic partnerships. Form teams, cultivate partnerships, and ensure cybersecurity brilliance. Fourth, global expansion. Scale up, harness big data, and integrate cutting-edge technologies globally. 5. Innovation unleashed. Dive into AI-driven personalization, voice recognition, and blockchain technology. 6. Triumph awaits. The Unicorn Roadmap is your blueprint for e-commerce triumph. 7. Exclusive bonuses. Limited time offer. Embrace the Unicorn Roadmap and unlock exclusive bonuses. 8. Transform dreams into reality. Your success story begins with the Unicorn Business Roadmap. Ready to create your e-commerce legacy? Act now and unleash the power of the Unicorn Business Roadmap.